Today I am reviewing the Sanitaire Upright Bag Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The heart of this vacuum is its 800-watt motor, which provides an incredible amount of raw suction power specifically optimized for carpets. Sanitaire rates this commercial-grade motor for more than 500 hours of life, and after using it extensively, I can completely see why. It handles thick pile rugs, low-pile commercial carpets, and walk-off mats with total ease, pulling up deeply embedded dirt, sand, and heavy debris that standard residential vacuums leave behind. One of my absolute favorite things about the SC679K is its incredible durability combined with its surprisingly lightweight design. Usually, when you get a commercial vacuum built to survive tough environments, it weighs a ton and leaves your arms sore after 20 minutes of use. This unit weighs only 12.2 pounds. It is incredibly easy to push, pull, transport up and down flights of stairs, and maneuver around tight office furniture or home layouts without causing any physical fatigue. Despite being so lightweight, it is built like a tank. The hood is made from a high-impact polycarbonate material that can take a serious beating. I have accidentally smashed it into concrete walls, heavy metal desk legs, and door frames, and it shrugs off the impact without cracking or denting. The collection system uses a massive 18-quart shakeout bag. If you are used to small residential dust cups or tiny bags, this massive capacity is a massive revelation. It holds an enormous amount of dust and debris, which means you can vacuum for days or even weeks in a large facility without having to stop and empty it. This drastically reduces downtime and keeps your cleaning momentum going. The bag release system utilizes heavy-duty metal clips that are incredibly secure but very quick to undo when it finally comes time to empty the debris. Maintenance is another area where this vacuum blows the competition away. In a commercial setting, time is money, and if a vacuum belt snaps or a brush roll gets tangled with hair, you cannot afford to waste half an hour looking for tools to fix it. Sanitaire engineered this model with unique tool-free maintenance features. You can replace the belt or access the brush roll completely by hand without needing a single screwdriver. This thoughtful design element saves an immense amount of frustration and keeps the machine operational with minimal effort. The utility is further enhanced by the heavy-duty 30-foot commercial power cord. This extra long reach means you can plug into a central outlet and clean a potential area of over 4,600 square feet without constantly stopping to find a closer plug. The cord itself is thick, highly visible, and built to withstand being stepped on or pulled taut. If there is any trade-off to consider, it is that this is a pure, dedicated carpet machine without built-in hoses or detailing attachments. However, for sheer floor cleaning efficiency, speed, and long-term reliability, it is virtually unmatched. The Sanitaire SC679K is an exceptional, straightforward investment that delivers pure performance and will easily outlast multiple standard vacuums.